Jai Hind and welcome to Team MND The Futurists. And today's interesting update is on Germany consideration of withdrawing massive stockpile of gold from US vault in New York following President Trump's tariffs. Now, what does this precisely mean? Approximately 1,200 tons, valued at around 113 billion euro dollars, from a vault at the US Fed Reserve in New York that will reflect a confluence of economic and geopolitical pressures intensified by President Donald Trump's recent imposition of sweeping tariffs. Now, this move indicates strong distrust in reliability of United States as a partner amid escalating trade tensions and shifting global power dynamics. And I made a very detailed video last year indicating the lack of trust that the world will start having on US. Let's deep dive in the analysis of this economic and geopolitical dimensions of this development. Now, what is the economic context? What will be the impact of Trump's tariffs? Now, Trump's latest tariff policies unveiled recently imposed significant levies on imports from major US trading partners, including a 20% tariff on European Union goods. For Germany, Europe's largest economy, this threatens its export driven model, which saw 161.4 billion euro dollars in goods shipped to the US in previous year. Now, the tariffs risk raising costs for Germany exporters, particularly in key sectors like automotive manufacturing, and could exacerbate the country's economic stagflation. Its economy has contracted for 2 consecutive years. Now, there has already been warning that these tariffs could trigger inflationary pressures in US, raising consumer prices while simultaneously dampening global demand. Now, for Germany, the tariff compound existing challenges such as high energy costs following the loss of cheap Russian gas and sluggish domestic recovery, with growth forecast for 2025 as low as 0.3%. Now, what is the solution? What is the thing that's emerging? Gold as a safe haven. The potential repatriation of gold aligns with a broader trend of nations seeking to secure tangible assets amid economic uncertainty. Gold prices have surged to record highs exceeding $3,100 per ounce in early 2025, driven by safe haven demand spurred by Trump's tariffs and fear of stagflation, that's high inflation coupled with low growth. Now, Germany's gold, the second largest reserve globally after the US, represents a strategic buffer against currency volatility and dollar dependency. Historically, storing gold in New York provided Germany with access to dollar liquidity during crisis, a benefit rooted in post World War II arrangements. However, with the US now perceived as a source of economic disruption rather than stability, the rationale for keeping 30% of its reserve, that's 1,200 tons out of roughly 3,300 tons total in Manhattan, is under scrutiny. So now, what are going to be the market reactions? Global financial markets have reacted sharply to Trump's tariffs, with the S&P 500 dropping nearly 5% on April 3rd, 2025, its worst day since June 2020, reflecting fears of a broader trade war. Germany's consideration of gold withdrawal could further unsettle markets, signaling a retreat from dollar-centric financial systems and potentially boosting gold stockpiles in US warehouses, which hit 43.3 million troy ounces, that's $135 billion by March 31st, 2025. Now, let's understand the geopolitical context of this. So, certainly erosion of trust in the US. Senior figures in Germany, Christian Democratic Union, poised to lead the next government have cited Trump's unpredictable policies as a key driver for reconsidering gold storage in the US. This reflects a broader geopolitical shift. The US, once a guarantor of global stability, is increasingly seen as a destabilizing force. Trump's tariffs applied indiscriminately to allies, example 20% on EU, 24% on Japan, and adversaries, example 34% on China, defy traditional alliances, prompting nations like Germany to reassess their strategic dependencies. Now, the move echoes earlier German efforts to repatriate gold between 2013 and 2017. It brought back 674 tons from New York and Paris, driven by public skepticism about foreign storage. Now, Trump's action may accelerate this trend, with politicians like Marco Wondowitz and Marcus Ferber advocating for either regular inspections or full withdrawal. Now, we certainly have to ponder over the shifting global order. Big time. The tariffs and Germany's response fit into a larger narrative of deglobalization and economic fragmentation. As the US leverages its economic might to reshape trade, countries are exploring alternatives to dollar dominance. The BRICS bloc, now representing 41% of the global economy, is expanding, and nations like China and Russia are reducing reliance on US financial systems. Now, Germany's gold move could signal a step forward, greater economic sovereignty within Europe, potentially aligning with European Union efforts to bolster resilience against US economic coercion. Now, geopolitically, Germany's hesitation also reflects a broader European dilemma: how to navigate a world where the US is no longer a predictable partner, because they have been relying on US big time, yet retains significant leverage via the dollar and military alliances. The European Union, led by figures like Ursula von is preparing retaliatory measures, but Germany's gold decision suggests a more unilateral hedge against United States unpredictability. Now, when we see the historical precedents and symbolism, the New York Fed's government vault holding 6,331 metric tons as of 2024 has long symbolized US financial hegemony, with much of its contents deposited during and after World War II by nations seeking safety. Germany's potential withdrawal challenges this legacy, hinting at a fracturing of post-war order. It also recalls Cold War era concerns about asset security, though today's tensions stem from economic warfare rather than military threats, and I have been emphasizing on this time and again. What are the broader implications? Economic ripple effects. If Germany repatriates its gold, it could inspire other nations to follow, weakening the US role as a global financial hub and accelerating de-dollarization. This might also strain US liquidity provision to foreign central banks, a tool Trump's administration could weaponize further, as speculated by few economists. Now, let's understand the geopolitical realignment. Now, the move could strengthen Germany's position within the European Union, pushing for a unified response to US policies such as a digital euro to counter dollar dominance. However, it risks escalating tensions with US, especially if paired with European Union retaliatory tariffs.